Video at the never mind. So we're here at the Balalo place. Baby, how was your day?
It was fun.
Good?
Mimi, tulo ano ko? Ano ba, Lisa? Pamili ng punta!
Wala ba ulo tadi ma'am? Saan eh? Ungkan lang, ungkan. Wala pwede na.
Pila na lang siguro. Yun to itatang?
Okay.
Okay.
What about that soup? Is that one ready?
Pero ito man eh. Not ready.
What?
Not ready.
Not ready.
Duha lang anak ko.
Wala. Wala dila.
Usani na lang. Usani ko na.
Yeah, too late.
Dila dua.
Alam mo nga, alam mo yung kanta? O, huwag mo kantahin kasi may bayan.
Ready na pa.
Having lunch at the Balalo. They call it the Balalo place because it has this like unbelievable Balalo soup. So that's it. We're in Taliban, having lunch. Hope so. Got my hair cut. Although I think he left too much on the island. He didn't trim enough of the island.
Isa siyang professional na santo. Ginagamit siya sa mga fine dining. Tusok-tusok yun. Okay. Ano ang pakiramdam mo kanina pag-isip?
I think she's gonna be the next.
Professional ako.
Nag-doctor? Look at her. She don't feel good.
Dito kami dengue. Kasi tutusukin yung kita mo.
Just looking for the baby. Oh my cheek. Kitag baby.
Alam nyo, hindi ako nilinig sa inyo. Sumasayaw lang ako. Meron akong check. Ay.
Like, really not.
Appreciate ko yun. Kita ko kayo. At yung term ay nagamit mo habang nakaharap ka sa kanila.
Manicure?
Oh my god. What again? It's your fault.
How much?
7.
57 kilos?
Again 2 kilo.
I don't know if this thing might not be accurate.
Oh no. Right. 118 kilo. Maybe it's not sure.
I can't believe I'm 118 kilos.
Where's Alula? Hello, Lula. Ayay, si Mama.
Zoom in further.
Ayan, ito, dyan, Lola. Alam.
That's Lynn's grandmother. She's across the valley. There's like a valley here. That's her house. We're on the road. And she's dancing for there.
Dance, Lola. Where's Lola? Ayaw ko na. Ayaw ko na sayawa. Ayaw ko na.
She's calling her.
Ayaw na.
Where's Lola? Where's Lola? Ha? Lola? Si Lola? Lola? Kapila kaming hapit ni Papa Duwad ma.
Hi, Lola.
Okay.
Okay, bye la. Ito na me.
Kabok na yan kabato na mi ma. Tas ka mayor na
I hope her and your grandfather will come back.
Yeah, for our wedding.
They're gonna come?
Oh.
They never do.
They will. They will. Of course
Either
they
she's
will.
sick and then he comes without her, or he's sick and she comes without him.
No, Daddy. Grandma and Grandpa will go.
Okay.
Of course, it's my wedding. Of course, they will come. At,
I hope so.
Wala Lola.
Because we need to count.
yeah.
Wala na si Mami Tita ni Lola. Wait, ni mo kaya.
And my uncle is your best man.
Which uncle?
The police.
He is. You already asked him?
Yeah, he said okay.
He did.
Yeah.
Like soon. We're getting married. She's not gonna care that we're getting married. She's just gonna care that we're doing it without her.
Yeah.
You know. But what can I do? She's not gonna come here.
Because you don't try to tell her.
She's not gonna come here.
Try.
I'll tell her next time. Should I?
Ay, so wait, Daddy. Bye. Her daughter is one of my flower girl.
Oh, okay.
Arang mo gutong usa? Mm. Kasi ba may gagmay mo raman to? Hala si Michelle pa di ay. Up. This is Daddy. This is the. They will take shower here and wash their clothes.
Pasaw pulis babong belo man diretso oy. Una pag-uus. Basta tungas adlaw din lang katuboy.
Oh, here it is. Wow, so fast. We are in Waterfront Hotel in Lahog. Lahog. And this is our first time staying here. They upgraded us to a deluxe room, but to me it's not an upgrade because it's 2 single beds.
Excuse me. Ano lang tanong
Pa-dikit, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ito.
Thank you.
So, here's the bathroom. It's okay. I have to say the air conditioner works pretty good. It's really cold. And so they're gonna put the 2 beds together. How's the view?
Oh, beautiful.
The view's nice.
You can see the ocean.
There's the view from our room.
The mess of the.
Of the cranes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Tindak lang ako minibar. Lang.
Okay, no problem.
What's he gonna do? Lock it or just take it all? Take it out?
Just lock.
Oh, okay. I'll have to read this. Oh no, she's going straight for the service, the room service menu. So we're not using it anymore. So instead of me leaving a deposit or whatever, they just lock it. Makes it easy.
The room's too small.
The room is so small. This is an upgrade. They're such liars. I had a nice room. I picked it out online. Had a nice big king size bed, and they go, so we decided to upgrade you. It has two beds. I'm like, no, I want the bed. I want the room that I ordered. Oh, sorry, we don't have that.
This is upgrade.
But it's an upgrade. Upgrade my ass. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is the Waterfront Hotel, Cebu.
Upgrade.
This is an upgrade. Oh yeah. The bathroom is very small, but it's nice, it's clean. The room is nice. It doesn't smell. It doesn't have a funny smell.
No smell.
Air conditioner is up here.
It's so cold here.
Is there a thermostat in here? I don't think there is. Oh, there is, right here. Okay. So.
I like their not clock daddy. I like the frame.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. It's nice.
Can you have like that?
No. So, yes, baby, you can have it. Honestly, I was just kidding. You can have, if you want it, you can have it. And you can have this bed too if you want. And
Yeah,
you
of
can
course,
have,
of
if you
course.
like this chair, you can have it. You want the chair?
Let me.
Ah.
Why it's not working?